Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change cell font size in an Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see that the cell font size is 11. You can write anything and check the size. Now we can see the size is 11. Now we want to change the size, the font. You can change the size manually. Select any cell and increase the font size. Otherwise, you can change the default font size of cell. Go to the file menu, click option of menu, then select the general option. We can see here the default font size. You can increase this. Now I am make the default font size is 16. Then click OK. Again click OK. Then close the Excel. Then again open the Excel on your computer. Then you can open your existing file, otherwise create a blank workbook. Now I am create a blank workbook. Then write anything, any cell, and we can see the font size is 16. Now we can see we changed the cell font size easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.